Chef Jaxxon, Chef Liam.
Let me check it out.
It's good? Is it good? Okay, Jaxxon, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. We have to rinse it now. Go. What are you doing?
Yeah.
You're putting 1 cup of water. Go ahead.
All of it?
You're not doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole thing. Put it. Okay. And then, what are you doing?
Putting a lot of sugar?
That's the
Do I put a lot of
cake
sugar
mix.
or a little bit?
Cake mix. Go ahead, put it in. You smell good. Okay, go ahead.
Shake it?
No, pour the whole thing.
All of it?
Yeah. Okay. Good job.
There?
Is that it? Is that all of it?
There's more.
Okay, throw it in there.
Why so much, Mom?
It's okay.
Daddy, shake it.
Okay, and Jaxxon, crack your egg. Throw it in there.
Back it? Me too?
Yeah.
My old baggie.
Go ahead. Look at Liam will show you. No. You go like this. And then you open it. Jaxxon? Look at it. Okay.
You put it away now.
And now, it's half a cup of vinegar oil. Okay,
What about my hands?
hold on.
Mama.
Okay, ready? What are you doing now?
Really?
Half a cup. Okay, go ahead.
All of it?
Yeah. Good job.
Shake it.
Now get your spoon. Oh wait.
Where's my
Let me. I point it down.
Sorry. I can do it.
Okay, and now what are you doing? You're done mixing, and then what do you do then? Okay, ready? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Oh, Mama, we ran out.
Okay, that means that you can start putting the cupcakes
Later for
in.
later when we make more cupcakes?
Yeah.
Okay, right there.
Okay, Jaxxon, what are you doing? Okay, go ahead.
Okay, Jaxxon, think that's enough?
No, let it go. Let it go. Like the other one. Look at the other one. How much does the other one have?
That's a little bit. I think there. It's more. Ah!
Liam, let him do it.
Guess what mine was?
Go
Do
ahead.
I do the other ones after Jaxxon? Mom.
Let's see.
Mine's doing that?
Try it out. Just a little. What do you think, Chef Jaxxon, Chef Liam?
Let me check it out.
It's good?
Yeah.
Is it good? Okay, Jaxie, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. We have to rinse it now. Okay, what are you doing next?
Do I put the chocolate?
Yeah, go ahead. Grab your this.
You put chocolate on it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Like this?
Yes.
It's so nice and open.
Okay, grab your cupcake.
My cupcake. There.
Okay.
Can I bite
No, because you're gonna do the rest of them. You don't do that. Okay.
it? With these?
Let's see. How do you like how it came out? It's good.
It's good.
Let me see.
Okay, everybody's gonna love the cupcakes. I'm gonna give one to Brandon.
Hurry.
Okay.
Let's put your cupcake right here.
Remember, this is gonna be covered.
Put your cupcake
Oh my
somewhere.
gosh.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put it somewhere. I'm gonna put it somewhere.
Yeah, but there's a fly, so that's why I wanna cover right this.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna put it in here or no? Yeah.
Now you're welcome for your cupcake.
Okay, go ahead.
Remember
Finish it.
last time you had it in slushy? What?
Yeah, let me see. Let me see. Whoa. Let me see.
That's literally what.
Oh, this one's a good one. This one's a good one.
That is a good one.
Let me see.
Oh, I did it wrong.
Look, he's still eating them. Oh my
Oopsie.
Want me to smash your face like a cake? Look at it. Jaxxon, in the future when you weigh 220 or 240, that 220 is not even that heavy. 240, you're gonna watch this and you're gonna know why.
Oh god.
I got the best angles, bro.
The best angles? I've been lazy to get up.
Oh, guys, don't get this one. This one's a big one.
Oh, so you mean get it?
You can have this one.
Oh, okay, give me.
You want it?
Oh, are you smudging poop?
No.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and